What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be making the Cranberry Mojito. Cranberry Mojito is our top-selling cocktail across all our restaurant brands. Perfect when you're sitting on the patio, sipping a cocktail, or sitting at the bar when you're dreaming of summer. First thing we're gonna do is make sure that our pint glass is clean and free of any cracks or chips. Then to my cocktail shaker, I'm gonna add my mint, dried cranberries, lime wedges, and simple syrup. Let me give that a quick muddle. I'm gonna add in my ice, my rum, cranberry juice, and give that a nice shake. Then I'm gonna dump the contents of my shaker into my pint glass, top it off with a splash of Sprite, splash of soda. Garnish is gonna be a mint sprig, straw, and it is ready to serve.